This is a Tomica limited vintage NEO Nissan GTR Nismo 2017 model, and it's one of my favorite Tomicas ever made. It's detailed, well, it's generous, and I'll explain why that is later. And yeah, so it comes with a piece of cardboard saying the specs of the real car, even though if you don't know how to speak Japanese, you can kind of know what it means. But anyway, so you've got a lot of packaging here. It's kind of bad for the environment, but it also shows how generous Tomica people are come with all those stuff. And so you've got the car here. But anyway, let's organize the packaging and we'll see about that later. Alright, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 that comes in the pack, and yeah, this is the only one I need. Anyway, let's look at the car for a second. This is the black model. So the red lines, at the bottom, they're really sharp. Yeah. You see that the exhaust pipes, the wheels, the brakes. Yeah, you can see the brakes and the wheels. Alright. The tires are actually rubber. And it's only like this in limited vintages. And also you've got side mirrors and yeah. So you've got normal black bottom, and you've also got the suspension. Also, yeah, that's it.